Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with a new video. So today we're going to take a look at another interesting chart, and I recorded this video especially for you to show you how to work with a chart in general, but also to trade on minimal deviations and to make successful 30-second trades. Immediately, I'll ask you to like this video. I'm sure it won't be a problem for you, and for me, it will be such a pleasure. So, also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss even more interesting information in the future. I want to point out that in the description below this video there is a link to my Telegram and my private Telegram channel where every week I organize marathons to make money and raise your deposit from $100 to $2,000. You can also take part. Now let's move to the chart and start our breakdown. Let's open Pocket Option. The concept here, Australian Canadian dollar. We see a general upward price movement and immediately we make a free 100 down trade for 30 seconds. So friends, we see a general upward price movement from 10.38 from 10.48, meaning for the last 10 minutes. And we see the highest point of the price value at 10.48. After which the price changed direction and reversed. So after that, the next green candle, we made our down trade for 30 seconds. We can see that our price went down well enough and our trade closed on the plus side, and we'll still have $276 on our account. Today we'll work with 92% of our profit. After 3 consecutive red candles, let's make another $300 trade to increase the price. Actually, as in each of my videos, I tell you about the strategy following which I make trades on the minimum deviations of the price. That is, on the minimum fluctuations. So now we see that our price has moved up quite well. That is, it has deviated from its main down trade. And our trade closed at profit, and we have added another $276 to our account. Analyzing any chart, we can see that the price moves in a zigzag, wave-like manner, creating these small deviations. We can see that the general price movement at the moment is descending. Nevertheless, the price periodically recoils, but when returns to its main movement. So after the next 3 green candlesticks, let's make another $300 down trade also for 30 seconds. You can see on the chart that our price is still resisting right now. That is, it doesn't want to return to its main downward movement yet. However, there is another red candle and our trade comes in a plus, and we have plus $276 on our account. By the way, our price has returned to its main downward movement. So let's watch the chart for a while and make an up trade waiting for another pullback and price move up. By the way, a very interesting point. This chart perfectly shows that from 10.48 until now, our pullback happens every 2 candles. Every 2 green candles, the price goes down, and every 2 red candles, the price pulls back and goes up. That is, the 2 green candles alternate the 2 red candles. And now you can see that our price breaks through the next resistance level, going up, and our trade is in the plus. And we have added to our account another $276. Great. So a red candle appears and it's quite actively going down. The price is still trying to get back into its main downward movement. The frequency of pullbacks has changed, and right after the green candlestick, a red one now appears. So with the appearance of a next candle, let's make a down trade for $300. We can see clearly that the price wants to return to its basic downward movement, yet it fluctuates in values. The red candle can gain a strength to go much lower. Nevertheless, the price is holding below the level at which we made our trade. And when another candle appears, but it also changes color a bit. And at the last moment, our trade goes to zero. That is, we friends, unfortunately, we haven't earned anything. But the good news is that we have not lost anything either. The price is still resisting. We can see that the price went sideways, and let's make another $300 up trade. In doing so, I'm referring to the fact that our price needs to go even higher to push back even more and go down. There is also a chance that after the consolidation, the price will change its main direction and go up. This also happens quite often. We can see in the chart that the price comes down below the level at which we made the trade. Nevertheless, at the last moment, the green candle shoots up quite well. And our trade goes on the plus again, and we have added to our account another $276. Let's zoom out in the chart a bit. You can see that the price is constantly in a wave-like movement and forms small and quite large zigzags. I must admit, it's a very interesting chart today. Usually in the currency pair Australian Canadian dollar, the chart is rather smooth and not so dynamic. I like to work on it. However, today the price surprised me as with its dynamism. So friends, going back to trading on minimum values, let's make one more up trade for $300, expecting a bounce up in price. Nevertheless, our price goes up, but there is another red candle, which of course wants to fall down. Nevertheless, the price is enough for our trade to close on a plus side, and we added $276 again to our account. The price has returned to its main downward movement. We see 3 red candles in turn. The next candle appears, and on it we make a $300 up trade. So we expect a rebound. Also, the green candle shoots up well enough. Our price rises well enough in its values, and 30 seconds is definitely enough time for our trade to go into the plus side. We can see that the price is still rising now, almost breaking for the previous resistance level. There is a candle, and with its appearance, we earn another $276. In total, friends, in today's trading session, we earned $2,000. A very good result for us generally making trades on a minimum deviations of 30 seconds. I hope this video was really useful for you and you now have a lot to think about, and it was really interesting for you, and the chart was really worth to analyze. So I hope you understand both the time analysis and every moment I enter a trade and my strategy in general. So in the description below this video, I left some useful links for you, as always. The link to my Telegram, where you can ask me all your questions. I'll be very happy to answer them. And also you find a link to my private Telegram channel, where you can join a weekly marathon to make money and raise your deposit from $100 to $2,000. You can participate in this marathon and earn with me. Also, you'll find a link to sign up for pocket option with a 50% gift deposit. Nice bonus, especially for you. Both for experienced traders and beginners. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you find it really useful and interesting, please don't forget to give it a like and leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my new interesting upcoming videos. That's been it for today, guys, and catch you in the next one.